Erica London here. Welcome to another episode of Color the World. New subscribers, we welcome you. Old subscribers, welcome back. We are here in wonderful Niagara Falls, Ontario. And before I start talking about the book we're going to be reading today, I want you to take a look behind me. You will see that there is a boat that is carrying tourists to and fro to see the falls at a close-up view. Now take note of the two levels. The red that you see, those are actually people. Isn't it a fantastic view? But today's book, however, we are going to be reading about a book that has a different mission and purpose. This book is called All Hands on Deck. It's about a deadly hurricane, a daring rescue, and the origin of the Cajun Navy. You guys ready? Sit back, grab a snack, and let's read All Hands on Deck. All Hands on Deck, written by Robert Neubecker. All kinds of boats cruise up and down the Gulf Coast, fishing and sailing and tugging. Each little boat has its own watery purpose. Bubba is a bass boat. He is small and quiet and loves to catch fish. He fishes for bass in rivers and lakes. Benny is an airboat. He goes just about anywhere there's water. He lives in the shallows of the bayous and swamps. Sal is a speedboat. She is sleek and fast and made for fun. Over the sea, a storm is brewing. It gathers strength from the warm water and grows bigger and bigger and bigger. The ocean goes wild. The wind screams and howls. Hurricane! It rains and rains. Some people leave the city, but not everyone can get out. The waves rise higher and higher. The levees break and water surges in. Firefighters, police, and the Coast Guards come to the rescue. But there are too many people who must be saved. Bubba worries. How can I help? I'm just a little fishing boat. Benny is alarmed as water floods the streets. He wonders, what can one airboat do? Sal wishes she could do something. I'm not a hero. I'm just a good time boat. Then the word goes out over the radio and TV. New Orleans is flooded. Thousands of people are stranded. Bubba has an idea. If all the little boats work together, we can do big things. Benny thinks, with my fin and shallow draft, I can go where no one else can. Sal says, a fast boat could be the right boat. They may have a need for my speed. The little boats come from all over the coast, one by one. Bass boats and airboats and rowboats, fishing boats and speedboats and skiffs all answer the call. Captained by everyday people coming to help. Bubba, Benny, Sal, and all the other little boats become a mighty team, united in a common cause. They help the first responders search up and down the city. Bubba joins the other little boats to pluck people from the rooftops. Benny goes in where no one else can. Sal rushes from one emergency to the next. They rescue little kids and grandparents, moms and dads, brothers and sisters, cats and dogs. Together, they save thousands of people. The little boats and their owners come to be called the Cajun Navy. And the next time the sky grows dark and the sea goes wild, the Cajun Navy will be ready.
Did you know?
Did you know hurricanes need warm water and wind to start? When ocean water warms to 80 degrees Fahrenheit or more, wind blowing over the water causes it to evaporate and turn into vapor. The water vapor rises, forming thunderclouds. Wind blows these clouds in a circle, which grows and grows until it becomes a tropical disturbance. More warm air rises and the winds spin faster. When they reach 25 to 38 miles per hour, the storm is called a tropical depression. When the wind blows at 74 miles per hour and higher, you have a hurricane, the strongest storm on planet Earth.
Hurricane Katrina was a devastating storm that hit along the Gulf of Mexico on August 29, 2005. More than half of the levees protecting New Orleans broke, and 80% of the city was flooded. Over 1,200 people died, and hundreds of thousands were left homeless. The government was caught unprepared, so all kinds of people turned out to help. The Coast Guard and first responders saved over 33,000 people. Could you imagine the Cajun Navy, which began with Sam Jones, started with just 18 boats? Now it has hundreds, and they still exist today. It's a member of the search and rescue efforts all along the Gulf Coast. So the next time a hurricane strikes, they'll be there to help.
And there you have it, this wonderful book, All Hands on Deck, written by Robert Neubecker. It can be found in your public library. Now, one thing I forgot to mention to you is that I wanted to apologize for taking so long to post videos. We've been on a hiatus, working across Canada in elementary schools and public libraries, but it feels so great to be back. Welcome to our 700 subscribers, and to the ones who have always been there, thank you so much for being so patient. Till we read again, bye.